GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. You can join the free Telegram channel here. If you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you are connected with my Telegram account and then check out the platform and the brokers right here. So if and when you are going to trade with my signals, I want you to open a separate account and only trade with my signals in that account so that we can have the accurate data. So go and check out these links, subscribe and like and all of that. Coming back to the chart here, doing the, what are we doing here? Top down approach. Okay, so we're starting with the weekly chart. We are up. So we are in the uptrend in weekly. Coming back to daily here. In daily, we have made a new high, then a pullback. Probably the Friday was the pullback, then we will continue going up. Okay, so more clarity will come from 4 hour. 4 hour we have rejected the EMA and then we had a breakout. Okay, so yeah, you can see this was a new high and then we took a pullback. This was the uptrend. So if I use my fib levels, where's my fib level? Right here, this was the uptrend. As you can see, we came to 61%. From 61% we had a breakout and then we took a pullback. So because this red candle was the last 4 hour on Friday, I'm assuming we are going up again because you see this was the pullback, then we had consolidation, then we had a breakout and pullback, and then we should go up. So in my case, we have rejected the EMA. As you can see that this long blue candle has closed, way above the EMA. So I think I'm still looking for longs. If you're a scalper, whatever you are, especially in 4 hour, 1 hour, look for longs. That's all I have to say. The trend is up, 4 hour is up, daily is up, and weekly is also up. Okay, we will crash. We crash as in the dollar and the euro will start coming down in the coming few days, maybe, because I think sooner or later, within a week or within 10 days, dollar will start going up. And when that happens, that means GBP and euro will come down massively. Okay. For now, what I see when the market is closed as on Sunday, I can see this setup here. This was the uptrend, pullback, breakout. So we should go up again. Look for longs. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, check out the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.